as baby boomers age out of their insurance buying years, where do you see the greatest growth opportunities?
Well, there are a couple of different places. So we talked about the fact that there are in fact 50 million Americans with no insurance. So we've got some big opportunities there. We've got big opportunities just as the face of America changes as well. The demographic changes that everyone talks about is aging, but the other big demographic change is the country's becoming a minority country. Big opportunity. But even with that, if someone looks at retiring, whether it's at 62 or 65 or 67 or 70, they're likely going to live well into their 80s or 90s or 100 to be able to use the accumulation that they've had to earn lifetime income. Insurance companies with our ability to guarantee that for a lifetime or 2 lifetimes in the case of a joint product, a huge opportunity.
You also have an international business, which gives you a great interest in how various economies around the world are doing. What do you foresee in the markets where you operate?
Yeah, so we've got an insurance company in Japan, an insurance company in Hong Kong, asset management business, Baring Asset Management, headquartered in London, and we've got a joint venture in mainland China. And we think about these as very long-term investments for the benefit of our policy owners. And if you look at the world, right, go back to wherever you want to start looking at it, whether you look at it post-World War II when the U.S. completely dominated the world economically, or even go to as recently as 1990 or 2000, the rest of the world, as a share of global GDP, just keeps growing. And these either emerging economies in a place like China, we think there's diversification benefits and just an opportunity to earn a good return on our investments. I mean, one way to think about us for our policy owners, we're a very long-term savings company. And we don't just buy bonds or just buy stocks or just buy real estate. We run businesses, our retirement business, some of our other life insurance businesses here in the U.S., where we look to earn a good return to let us pay a better dividend and grow our capital more quickly.